Hey guys, where are we going?
Rapid water park.
How was it, Grace?
Okay, very scary. I have one more
It was fun?
Hey guys, this is what it's like being under the water. So let me do it to you guys so you know how it kind of feels. Yeah, it's really hard. you're both underwater.
How was it, buddy?
Oh, you gotta get in the tube.
Good job, Daddy. Today when you go rapping, you're about to like Mega Mayhem, the brand new one. And
Yeah,
then
just-
after we'll turn around and right now we don't know. It's no, it's
Okay, this is the newest side of Rapids Water Park. This Mega Mayhem, where you race another tube and it goes uphill and downhill. And then over here to the right is the tornado tubes. And then you got the lazy river down there, the wave pool on that side. Looking to the north, you got the other side of the park that's across the street. Today's Father's Day 2024, and it's not that bad. The lines, it's not that crowded. There goes Mommy and Grace with the walk of shame, carrying the rafts. Mommy's gonna try and do some recording up top. The thing about Rapids though, they're really strict about, they make you take your sunglasses off, make you take your hat off, no shoes, no cameras. So it's gonna be kind of hard for her to film. All right, here goes James and Faith. The tubes aren't that heavy, but walking up the hill carrying them it is. Right, James, let me see your muscles. Oh,
we're gonna beat them! Woo! Woo! That was it, you're right! We beat them, you're right! Good job! I got you!
right, you'll see them pop up on the left through the little window and then come out to the tubes right there. Alright, there went Mommy and Grace, and there's the Faith and James. Come out.
They need hotter water.
You what?
They need hotter water. It's too cold.
Oh.
Me and Mom won on the side that me and you lost. The guys took down before him.
Oh. What do you think of Rapids Water Park? Tired? A lot of walking? So, what do you guys think of Rapids?
So much fun. Delicious.
Delicious?
What do you mean delicious? You ate Rapids. Is that what it is?
So any tips or anything you would give the people that come in the Rapids? Back up.
Buy the season pass. And there's a
Back up.
And there's a little wristband that you can buy. So that's only $20 more. And this is $10.69.
So the
and $2 for a refill. And after you have your first refill, it's $2 for your second.
okay, what was your favorite slide?
Mega Mayhem.
What about you, Grace?
Mega Mayhem, the one next to it. Baby River, of course. I didn't really go in the wave pool that much, like I normally do.